Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you 10 recommendations of books, papers and online resources of design thinking and innovation. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, these are a couple of recommendations that I make to all of you, and I think that it could help you a lot if you are learning of design thinking and also in innovation. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the bibliography references most relevant in the field of design thinking, agile methodologies, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Formerly, the only way to learn was reading because there was no other means of learning. Although at the present this is still very important, thanks to current technologies, you can learn in other ways such as visual thinking, gamification, etc. This subject is learned every day, and there are always new resources, situations from which you can learn. So for me, this video is very important because I'm gonna share with you like the main resources. There are many more. Perhaps in the future I will make a new one, but I believe that this could help you a lot. The first one is from Alexander Osterwalder. He is the one who created the value proposition and the model business canvas, and he wrote a book called Designing the Value Proposition. This book is extremely good, very good, because it will help you to understand. Is very easy to understand, but also you got the exercises so you can learn and be sharing with all the different resources. So this one is my first recommendation, Designing the Value Proposition of Alexander Osterwalder. The second one is from Tim Brown. Tim Brown is the father of design thinking, and I'm gonna share with you three resources that are very good. The first one is Change by Design. It's a book, and it's very interesting because here he show a lot of different cases that he have been working on, project and tools. That's very good. The third one is the first paper of design thinking ever written, and it's called Design Thinking. It is published by Harvard Business Review. You can find it here online, and it's very interesting because it was the first paper about design thinking. It was written in 2008, but it was very interesting because there you can start understanding like the different components and different study cases that were being developed at that moment. The fourth one is Design Thinking by Social Innovation. This one is also from Tim Brown, but it got the help of another design thinker, which is very interesting. Um, I strongly recommend it because it analyze very specific components and cases that are very good. I really like it. The fifth one is Reinhold Steinbeck. He wrote an amazing paper called Design Thinking from Strategy and the Creativity at the Distance, and it was amazing because it got like different study cases from around the world involving universities, different design thinkers, different people, and for me is one of the best papers ever written in design thinking, so I strongly recommend it as well. IDEO, as you know, is like the main company of Tim Brown and David Kelly, and they've been writing a lot of different things through the years. And the first book that I'm gonna recommend to you is a Human Design Center. This has been have a lot of editions, and it's been updated, but it's extremely good. It's very good. It will help you a lot, and it was like very at the moment like very complete with different resources. We also got a Creative Confidence, which is very good as well. It's also written by David Kelly, and yeah, I recommend it because it's very good and it's related. It's like the continuing of human-centered design. Of course, I recommend Mr. Sir Ken Robinson. Ken Robinson wrote different papers, but he also make a TED talk called Changing Paradigms. It's here in YouTube. I recommend it because it's very good because it will make you understand and analyze like different components and things that you have been thinking through the years and realize that you can make the difference. Unfortunately, Sir Ken Robinson died like in 2020, I believe, but his legacy lives on, and for a lot of educators and design thinkers that want to innovate and be disruptive, these kind of things are amazing and I strongly recommend it. So changing paradigms, the lecture, the paper, or the video, all of them are very, very good. Number 9 is service design. Service design, it's very interesting because it will allow you to unite service design with design thinking. This book is very good. It's very easy to understand. It got show you like different resources and also like different tools that you can apply on your projects. Of course, I recommend this channel, Design Thinking 24/7, created by me. I believe it's very good. It got more than 300, 400 videos of different resources in Spanish, in English, and I believe it's very, very complete, and we keep updating every week. And of course, a special bonus, I got like different courses in the Udemy platforms. You can find here the link on the description of this video, so if you are interested, you can take our design thinking course or also on entrepreneurship. But at least these are like the main resources that I use. Of course, I use many more, but these are like the main ones. There are many ways to learn, and everyone learn in a different ways. There are many resources, and they are very valid. That's very important because changing this paradigm of education, it will allow you to understand that there's not only way and there's not only one correct answer. There are many more that are very, very helpful. If these topics I always created new content, so that's very interesting because if you keep searching, you will find new resources, new developments that will help you a lot. And something that is very important is that there are no final words here. This is a process of continue growing, transformation, keep updating. So we always learn new things, even though that we've been working these many, many years. So that's amazing. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.